When programming, we need to keep track of a lot of information. In order to manipulate this data, we categorize this information into two types: variables and constants. We can think of these types as a custom-made container for any type of information we want to hold on to and reuse later. When creating an object in Swift, we start off with a keyword, in this case, var. Then we declare what we would like to call this object, followed by a colon to indicate the type of the object. In this example, we have created a variable named Hello World and have assigned it a string value of Hello World. Now, Swift can automatically infer what type this object will be based on what type of data you assign to this variable after the equal sign. Here we have another variable called Hello World String. Both are strings, and both will be accepted by the compiler. There is no need to implicitly declare an object's type, unless the variable will have its value assigned to it later on. We can create another variable named unassigned string that does not have a value, but is declared as type string. When we want to update this variable's value, we simply call the variable's name and assign it a new value by using the equal sign. We will give this variable a value of Hello World and run the program to see if the value has been updated. You can see here in the console that the value has been updated to Hello World, while where we first created the unassigned string variable, the value is missing inside the console. A constant is declared using the let keyword and is a type of variable whose value cannot be changed once it's initialized. For example, time zone is a constant with the value PST. You cannot assign a new value to time zone after this statement. On the other hand, a literal represents a fixed value in the program. Literal values can be a number, a string, a Boolean value, a custom type, etc. This means that in the earlier example, PST is a string literal because the value is of type string.